in Persia. This young man was destined to change fate and fortune of Golconda.
Sultan Kuli, not only your bravery, but your knowledge is also praiseworthy.
My lord, it is your magnanimity which sees worth in this humble servant.
We hope that your stay at Lidl is comfortable.
Alidel, it is indeed gracious of you to have given refuge to me and my uncle in our exile.
And why do you not settle here for good?
Alidel, for me your desire is a command I cannot disobey.
Subhanallah, we hereby bestow on you the title of Fawaz Khan and make you a noble at our court.
The ascent of Sultan Quli was meteoric. In just 7 years, he became Qutbul Mulk, the governor of Telangana and the Jagirdar of Golconda. And after the death of Mehmud Shah in 1518, Sultan Quli became independent.
There is peace and quiet in Vijayanagar and Vijayanagar. The administration of Golconda too is stronger than ever before.
And we shall have to keep it so. Therefore, we decided to make Golconda our capital.
But it is not in the center of the kingdom.
No one makes more significant part of the mount already exists here. We shall strengthen this wall with stone and mortar, and reside here as well.
So, this was the first time that a ruler decided to make Golconda his capital and live there.
Absolutely. Sultan Quli had brought with him from Hamadan images of the towering minarets, grand arches, and magnificent gateways of Iran. All this is still visible here. Do you know that the circumference of the outer wall is 7 kilometers? There are 8 gates and 87 bastions in the crenellated wall, and 2 more stone walls within the outer rampart protect Bala Hisa.
What is all this clapping about?
Who are these people?
Oh, merely tourists. Like you. When you entered the Bala Hisa, you must have come to a grand portico. Some people are standing there, while some others are at the Baradari. The portico has been so constructed that if you stand in the center beneath the roof and clap loudly, it can be clearly heard at the Baradari.
This is indeed a remarkable feat of engineering skill.
You must realize that there were no telephones in that age. And so, whenever somebody came to the Bala Hisa, his arrival was announced to the guards at the Baradari by clapping.
Where is the Baradari?
Right at the top of the hill, almost 450 feet away. Look, there it is, there, at the top. From there, one can see the entire area surrounding the fort. The Diwan-e Khas of the Sultan is just below the Baradari. To reach it, you have to ascend 360 steps. On the way to the Diwan-e Khas, one comes across various buildings of historical importance, such as the armory, the offices of the Diwan, the mosque of Ibrahim Qutb Shah, the Taj Mahal where the Sultan heard petitions, and the Mahakali temple, built probably by the Kakatiya rulers.
The Qutb Shahi sultans must have been very tolerant.
Very true. There was no religious intolerance during the Qutb Shahi rule.
Where did the Sultan live?
Right here. 280 steps descend from the Diwan-e Khas to the Sultan's residence. Here, where the fabulous Rani Mahals and the Sultan's quarters were situated. This palace, with its luxuriously decorated rooms, open courtyards, verdant gardens and sparkling fountains, must have been a veritable paradise on earth. Sultan Quli was an able administrator. a remarkably talented.
Now I have been incessantly waging wars. I have laid the foundations of a new kingdom. Alas, there is none among my sons to whom I may entrust the kingdom and spend my remaining days in your worship.
Sultan Quli was busy with his intrigues during his captivity at Golconda.
Believe me, Hamdan, fate would be more welcome than this investment. My father would not accept that the kingdom would be safe in my hands. It's really sad to see an evil prince like him suffer. Huh? Why should anyone else feel sad? If it were this humble servant's power to alleviate your suffering, I would do so immediately. You can, Hamdan. You can. How, my lord? There is only one way out. Well, it has to be removed.
What a merciless son he was.